Angelo po, Pambambaradyo. Kung despite na hindi po nabuksan itong BIR box, masasabi niyo pa rin po ba na pumabor sa inyo itong pre-trial?
Definitely. Sapagkat ever since our objective is to finish expeditiously. No? That is why during the first PTC, madaming nire-raise yung defense, which clearly are not within the purview of the pretrial conference. We opted not to engage with the defense with respect to the issues which are being raised, like the determination of 2/3 threshold, no? The allegation that we did not transmit all the exhibits and documents to the respondent. It was a clear position not to engage with those issues because our objective ever since is to finish this pre-trial conference expeditiously. And that is why we would like to express our thanks to the impeachment court because the goal was achieved. Because just today, the pre-trial conference has been terminated.